Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am finally making another swatch video after such a long break, and this time we have ORLY's Fall 2019 collection that is called Dreamscape. This collection is very gray, very much my style, and to be honest, I love it very much. There are 6 polishes altogether, 3 creams, 1 metallic, 1 with shimmer, but it's very unexpected, you will see, and 1 with kind of pearly finish. So if you are interested in this collection, then please keep on watching. So the first one is Ethereal Plane, and this is a soft pink with blue sheen. Very unexpected mixture, I would say, and to be honest, I like it a lot. The formula is great, it is opaque in 2 coats for me, and the best thing about that nail polish is that this blue sheen is actually visible on the nail. I need to admit that I really enjoyed this nail polish, and the fact that you can see that sheen on the nail and on camera makes me so happy, because usually these things are really difficult to pick up. So definitely the one to be interested in. So the next one is called Freefall, and this is a gray with kind of pearly finish. To be honest, it's really hard for me to describe that nail polish, because when you see it on the nail, it's not like a pearl finish, but you definitely can see some kind of pearly sheen into the nail polish, which is also visible on the nail, but it's not like in your face. So I really enjoyed this one, especially that it is a light green that I was looking for, and this is not too green, not too blue, not too pink. This is just a perfect mixture. Also, the formula on this one is really nice. The next one is Dreamweaver, and this is kind of soft, warm mauve cream color. This is kind of nail polish that we were able to see a lot recently in ORLY's collections, but I really enjoy it. I think it looks very nice on the skin. It is very opaque. Basically, it could be 1 coater, but I just made 2 coats, but it is perfectly fine in just 1 coat. So for most of the people, it will be a 1 coater. The formula is really easy to work with. I really enjoyed that one. It's just that, I've seen that before, but if you don't have such shade, it's good to have it in your collection. So the next one is Astral Projection, and this is the most perfect gray I've seen in my entire life. I love that nail polish. I was in a hunt for a gray one for such a long time, and it is so hard to find a good gray nail polish. I don't know why, to be honest. And this one is just perfect. It is kind of cool shade, which I like. It is not too dark, not too light. It is just perfect gray. If you were looking for a shade of gray that you will be able to use on its own and in nail arts, this is the one. You will not regret this one. The formula is great, as with previous ones. Here I put 2 coats and it was perfect in 2 coats. So this is one of my top picks when it comes to this collection. So the next one is Into the Deep, and this is a charcoal gray cream. And this one is also very nice. It was opaque in 2 coats, although I think that this is the one that I enjoy the least from the collection, just because the rest is so gray that it is very difficult to compete with. But definitely this is the nail polish that you want to have in your collection. I really enjoyed it, even though it was a cream and I did enjoy rest more, but this one is definitely a nice nail polish to have. It is very dark, the color is very deep. It will be perfect, I guess, as well for winter. So yeah, great one as well. And last but not least, we have Air of Mystique, and this is dark teal shimmer. I mean, it is described as dark teal shimmer. I would describe it as dark teal metallic. It looks more like metallic than it is shimmer for me, to be honest. The only issue with this one was that it does leave streaks, so you have to be careful with that. To be honest, I don't really mind streaks. Metallic polishes are one of my favorites, so I really enjoyed that finish, and this one was surprisingly if not my favorite, one of my favorites from the collection. I wore this nail polish a lot, to be honest, more than any other from this collection, which was pretty surprising for me. I think it is a great nail polish. So that's it when it comes to this collection. To be honest, probably you can tell that I did enjoy that one a lot. It's just a lot of grays, a lot of pinks, a lot of nudes. These are just my colors, so for me, that collection was amazing. I hope that you liked that review, and I hope that it was not too all over the place. So let me know in the comments what you think about the collection, if you like it or you don't, if you had any polishes, if you're using them or not using them. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!